Welcome to the third week of May Vietnam Job Market Update Report by VSHR Pro Academy. Through the Job Market Report, we will show you that as the hiring manager you will be able to learn which industry is hiring a lot. And if you are hiring, what kind of hiring strategy can you build? If you are looking for a job, right now the market industry will help you know which industries you're gonna get the most number of competitors. So let's get started and we will discover together. After the hiring period of businesses, the highest open positions have dropped to under 500. The highest group still were technology industry, the second place were banking, finance, marketing and ads. Firstly, the IT, software and internet group has had a downward trend which dramatically reduced the data of IT from 1311 to 448. Moreover, the data on the internet has decreased from 663 to 489. And software has dropped out more than 753 open positions since last week. In the new month, the business needs staff of middle seniors which are 150 in IT, 157 in software and 273 in internet. Banking, finance and insurance have had a downward trend too in the second week. Banking and finance has decreased to nearly 160 positions. Insurance has declined from 92 to 66 positions. In the new month, finance, banking and insurance need more staff at the associate level. Commercial real estate, construction and real estate all have had a different change this week. While the commercial real estate has dropped 38 to 33 positions, the real estate has increased sharply from 53 to 72 and the construction industry has grown 13 positions since last week. Moreover, commercial real estate and real estate focus on associate level and construction has been hiring middle seniors. The FB in food production has had a downward trend too this week. Food production has dropped from 51 to 38 and the FB reduced dramatically from 99 to 66 positions. Both industries still focus on recruiting at the middle senior level. In the last group, the consumer goods, consumer electronics and retail has had a downward trend, but there has been an upward trend in fashion. Fashion has climbed from 61 to 76 and retail has had a speedily drop from 190 to 55 position, and they need staff at associate level and entry level this week. Thank you for your following and listening. Goodbye and see you in the next week Vietnam Job Market Update Report.